So I say to you today, pull yourself up. Lift up your bowed down head. Guess what? Every day I have to choose to pull myself up.
We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. This is why thinking is so vital. This is why a goal is so important, because we will become that.
How does a woman who once couldn't afford to finish high school end up running multi-million-dollar businesses, owning 30 properties, and rocking a six-pack at age 57? What does it take to get to 57, 67, even 70 after a lifetime of poor eating, raising kids alone, surviving evictions, pink slips, and doing it all with nobody clapping for you? Women like Wendy Ida, Ellen Ecter, and Angelique Miles showed us it's never too late to transform your life. But there's another name you need to know, Donna Jowers. And baby, her story, it didn't come wrapped in a bow. It came wrapped in pain, poverty, passion, and power. Donna was born and raised in West Baltimore, right across from what used to be Coppin State College. In a house full of 7 kids with 5 brothers, she wasn't anyone's princess. Nope, Donna had to fight for her spot in the pack. While other little girls played with dolls, Donna was juking footballs in the streets.
Especially football. I was like really, really good in football.
Proving to the boys she could hang. Wide receiver, quarterback, you name it, she played it. And played it well. But behind the grit was a heartbreaking reality. Her family was broke. So broke that by senior year of high school, they got evicted.
My last year in high school, we got evicted. So I ended up not graduating. And, that was devastating to me for years.
That failure haunted her for years. She wasn't just broke financially. She was broke mentally. She didn't feel good enough for anything. But something was growing inside her, a fire.
And not only did it eat at me, it made me feel less qualified to do anything. Even talking about it, I feel the pain.
She stumbled into fitness by accident. First, it was outdoor tracks and running just to get her peace of mind. But that fire exploded when she joined the Marine Athletic Club in Baltimore. She was just another woman trying to work out until one day a trainer pushed her in front of the class. She panicked. But God had other plans, because from that moment on, Donna became the hottest fitness instructor in the city. Her kickboxing classes were packed. People came from all over just to get that Donna push. Sweating, crying, cussing, farting, didn't matter. She got results because she knew how to reach the part of people that wanted to quit. Her secret?
And get my hour or 2-hour weekend and then go to work. Consistency, resilience. Get up.
Today, at age 57, Donna wakes up every morning with intention.
The same qualities, the same things that I use, that I apply in the gym. Get up, have a plan, be intentional. What you're going to do today.
Before anyone's alarm goes off, she's already stretching, hydrating, and praying. She starts her day with 32 ounces of water immediately. No exceptions. If your car gets oil changes, she says,
you take your car to get an oil change every so many miles, every so many months. Why we can't fast and turn down a click for 3 days?
Then it's off to the gym for her daily 1 to 2 hour session, whether it's kickboxing, weight training, pickleball. Yes, she's obsessed and plays with people in their 70s and 80s, running or swimming. She doesn't miss a beat. And no, she doesn't rely on motivation. She relies on discipline. Her workouts aren't more than just physical. They're spiritual therapy, a way to push through trauma, childhood wounds, and fear of failure. Every move has meaning.
We can remind ourselves about the oil change. We need to detox at least every 3 months, every quarter. And that's what I did.
Donna's serious about what she puts in her body.
Be mindful is that the things that we ate and our parents fed us years ago, it ain't the same.
She drinks a gallon of water every day minimum.
I drink a gallon of water a day. You know how many people now suffering from kidney diseases and stuff like they won't drink water.
She avoids sugar like the plague. She'll tell you sugar causes inflammation. Inflammation causes disease. Disease steals your future. She fasts regularly because if you can say no to food, you can say no to anything. Her diet includes leafy greens, lean proteins, alkaline-rich foods, natural herbs, whole, unprocessed meals, mostly homemade. Donna believes we're in a war, and food is the enemy in disguise. While teaching fitness classes, Donna also built a bail bonds company from scratch.
I was also working at In-N-Out Bail Bonds. We had started a bonding company back in 2000.
She didn't want to do it. Her now husband did. But once she stepped in, she grew it into $1 million business. Then she did what most people don't. She trained her kids to run it.
Maybe it's fine. You know, my kids run the business and everything. I don't mind going to speak and share my story. This going to help.
Why? Because she was tired of watching them mess up. Tired of bailing them out, literally. So she showed them ownership, grit, and legacy.
Put them in the position to be successful. But like I said, they got to want it. And you constantly investing in them.
Now, she can step away, travel, speak, inspire, because they've got it. Why she does it. Donna's not chasing money. She's chasing peace, health, and purpose.
When you become successful, your goal is really not to make money anymore. It's kind of like, okay, what can I be next?
She didn't get rich because she wanted a Bentley, even though she has one.
I never worked because I wanted to be rich. I worked because I never wanted to see a pink slip. I never wanted to see a pink slip, and I tell people that all the time.
Never wanted her kids to suffer how she did.
I pride myself, again, I always go back to the way I was living. You know, how I want to be treated. How I wish that they would have treated my mother.
The legacy. She now owns over 30 properties in Baltimore, and not one of her tenants can say she ever did them dirty. She teaches people to invest before you impress.
Before you go buy that big car, before you buy all the bling and all that other stuff, you know, invest.
Her brand?
So when you go tell the people, tell them, okay, you know, new nutrition, new state of mind, new beginnings, new way of thinking, new way of life. You had to change it here first.
8 million new beginnings. A movement rooted in health, mindset, and purpose. Everything is done in 8s. 8 reps, 8 moves, 8 minutes. Because change begins with new habits. She's proof that you don't need a degree, a fancy upbringing, or outside validation to transform your life. So next time you say it's too late, remember Donna Jowers. Next time you think you're too broken, too behind, or too far gone, remember the girl from West Baltimore who missed graduation, slept in her office, raised her kids alone, and now lives fit, free, and fierce. Age 57 and just getting started, because health isn't about weight loss. It's about taking your life back.